Malacanang says that the government is doing its best to address the problems being faced by the Metro Rail Transit or the MRT. Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma said DOTC Secretary Jose Emilio Abaya presented yesterday a progress report on the MRT issue to President Aquino. He said that they provided also the President the programs that he plans to implement to ensure the safety of MRT riding commuters. These include the improvement of the train system's power system, rails and motors, as well as the change in the communication system. Coloma said any change in the MRT fare was not discussed during the meeting.
Wala pong tinalakay, walang pinag-usapan na kahit ano hinggil sa pagbabago ng singil sa MRT. Hinggil naman sa pagpapahusay ng serbisyo, nagbigay ng progress report si DOTC Secretary Abaya hinggil sa mga programang pinapatupad para matiyak ang kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan na gumagamit ng serbisyo ng MRT. Kabilang narito ang pagpapahusay ng power system, pagpapalit ng mga relays, overhauling ng makina at pagpapalit ng communication system.